Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. This one will be on, it's just an updated video of my previous tutorial on PermissionsEX. It's just going to look a lot better, you know, and turn out a lot better hopefully, a bit more professional, less laggier. Anyway, the first sort of step for PermissionsEX is getting the right plugins so it works. You just want to get Essentials or essentials.x and Vault, and then everything will work fine. If you don't get Vault, your prefixes won't show, so make sure you get Vault. The first step you want to do is create a group. I'm going to make the generic group called owner. Although before we do that, we have to make sure we give ourselves permissions. So in the console, you want to type in PEX user exardus add star hash, enter. That's just shift 8 in your keyboard, and then we should have all the permissions to be able to use PEX appropriately. Not appropriately, but you know what I mean. Anyway, the first step we want to do is create a group. So we'll type in PEX group owner create. That's the command right there. Bang. There we go, owner created. If we go /PEX groups, we can see that owner has been added to the registered groups. The next step is adding permissions to this group. So what we want to do is type in PEX group owner add, and then I'm just going to add essentials.fly, so we can do /fly. Now the group owner will be able to use essentials.fly, and then we also want to be able to well, because it's the owner group, we want that group to have every permission, right? So it's the same command we did for the user. We want to type in PEX group owner add *# again, enter. Now that group will have every permission. Make sure you're giving that to the right group, otherwise maybe the default group will just have /ban people, you know. So just before, I also want to add a prefix to this owner group, so I'm going to put myself into the owner group. PEX user exardus group set owner. There we go. Now I'll be in the group owner. We'll then add a prefix to that group. PEX group owner prefix. Have a nice red color before my name. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put little commas here. I don't know, wait, they're not I don't know, commas, whatever. And that will mean there's a gap between the prefix and my name. Okay, enter. I say hi. As you can see, there's a gap between the prefix and the name, and owner is there. Make sure you have Vault, otherwise it will not work. Okay. So the next little step is adding inheritance, which is useful for making donations ranks like VIP plus and VIP. You might want VIP plus to inherit VIP. So what we're going to do is create a quick group called member create, enter, and we want owner to be the parent of member, so owner will inherit all the commands that member has. So what we're going to do is type PEX group owner parents set member. As we can see, if we type in PEX group owner, owner inherits the following groups member. So owner will have every permission that member has. Okay, now for the next little step, we want to delete a PEX group. So what we're going to do is type in /PEX group member, the one we just created, delete. Now if we type PEX groups member, oh sorry, I did a typo there before. member. If we type in PEX groups, member has been deleted. what, there's member still there, but member's been deleted. That's pretty much most of the tutorial, guys. If you guys want me to do more in-depth tutorial, then just leave a comment. I'll do a more in-depth one with maybe configs and more commands, like can't remember it off the top of my head, but just more commands, you know, maybe prison ranks, all that sort of stuff. Just leave a comment in the description, I'll try and get to it. DM me on Instagram if you guys need help, or just leave a comment. I might attend to it. I'm a bit lazy, so I might not, but the study's over for me, so I will be able to maybe make a few more videos. So just give me a recommendation and I'll try and get to you whatever you guys request. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I'll hopefully be making some more tutorial videos, maybe on Minecraft, maybe on other games in the future. Have a good one. Bye.